You want to be successful, be single. Let's get your start of today. You know the rest of the houses Samana pays on for sale. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, hit to like, a comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. Oh, I love you. Anyway, guys, before we get to you guys, there's a lady who commented on Pomelolo's second girlfriend. Wate ungahleki no terelo ujwayelana kabi ugel wa reply wate ngiyamazi. So the lady was trying to tell a girlfriend yakampumelo ukuthi you must be very careful ngoterelo. She's very disrespectful. Ugel wate I know her. Seems like amahle uyamazi uterelo, guys. Her strategy will not work this time. Just still remember the things that she was telling over your cousin. Guys, on amahle it will never work. So anyway, guys, let's get to Vuyokazi. Guys, Vuyokazi posted this beautiful pictures showing off her new hair from her online store. One thing about Vuyokazi, what she's saying on her prayers, it is working for her. She's living her answered prayers, guys. Vuyokazi, she's glowing, she's happy, her business is doing so well. She doesn't need any man to take care of her, guys. She did say on the other post, Oguti, people will look at you and say there's a man who's sponsoring your lifestyle. Kanti tololo, you are doing it for yourself. So guys, congratulations to Vuyokazi, continue to shine. And right now it's a good opportunity for you guys. We know that this tempo is still playing, so Vuyokazi can make a lot of money, guys. The more people are talking about her, the more she makes money online. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. So tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself.